The Roborock Q8 Max Plus is a high-performance robot vacuum and mop with self-emptying capabilities, offering hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks. With 5,500 pascals suction power, a dual-roller brush, and reactive tech obstacle avoidance, this vacuum provides a powerful and intelligent cleaning experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore its features, customer reviews, and whether it's a good investment. Key features of Roborock Q8 Max Plus. Automatic self-emptying. A 2.5L dust bag holds debris for up to 7 weeks, reducing the need for manual emptying. 5,500 pascals hyperforce suction, delivers deep cleaning power, especially on carpets, with an automatic boost function. Dual roller brush technology, enhances cleaning performance while reducing hair tangles, making it ideal for pet owners. Reactive tech obstacle avoidance, uses advanced sensors to detect and avoid objects, minimizing interruptions. App-controlled mopping, adjust water flow levels for different rooms, ensuring customized mopping performance. PreciSense LiDAR navigation, provides multi-level mapping, quick mapping, and 3D mapping for precise navigation. Voice and app control, compatible with Alexa, allowing for customized scheduling and control. Customer feedback on Amazon, 4.3/5 stars, 4,094 ratings. Most users praise its suction power, efficient mapping, and mopping capabilities, though some mention a learning curve for setting up maps correctly. Positive reviews, strong suction, the vacuum is insane. It cleans better than my regular vacuum. Great for pet owners. Cat hair has never been easier to clean. Smart navigation, the AI mapping is really good, object avoidance works well. Effective mopping, the mop pad gets very wet, and it cleans floors thoroughly. Common complaints, setup takes time, it took a couple of days to fine-tune the mapping. Small object detection issues, tiny items like bobby pins or phone chargers may get sucked up. Water tank size, needs refilling daily for large spaces. Is the Roborock Q8 Max Plus worth it? If you're looking for powerful suction, smart navigation, and hands-free maintenance, the Roborock Q8 Max Plus is an excellent choice. It's especially great for pet owners dealing with hair and dust. However, proper setup is key for the best experience. Overall, it's a solid investment for those seeking a high-quality robot vacuum.